And in 3 months, when I saw Ved, just kind of understanding things or just remembering different things that was probably done 2 months back. Hi, my name is Priyam Choksi, and this is my son Ved. He is about 2.5 years right now. We joined Tickle Ride 3 months back when he was around two-ish, and it was very surprising to see that within 3 months I could see changes. The way he would interact with different things, or the way that I think this program has helped spark curiosity, or it because of the way I think they keep changing the activities every 2 minutes. There's a lot of different things that he's exposed to, and I see how curious the kids are at this age. So it's so important to expose them to as many things as we can. And majorly, I think I have loved seeing the different activities that are planned in the session, and the way Miss Rishti has been so patient, kind, engaging, and she's so loving and caring, and she adheres to the separate needs of all the different kids. And I think it's definitely something that early childhood kids, they should be enrolled for, because this kind of environment, this kind of exposure to different languages or to different the styles of learning with the whole program is made in a way which helps them to learn how to learn things. That is why this is something which definitely everyone should go for, and this is why I chose it. And in 3 months, when I saw Ved, just kind of understanding things or just remembering different things that was probably done 2 months back. For example, there was this one song that they had did for the first month, and very randomly he just started singing that song. So everyone in the house was also very curious, okay, how did he know this song, because it's not a very normal rhyme. So it was very nice to see him return that and to do it after 2 months of that being done in the class, because they changed it in a month, so he did not hear it more than 4 times. So that was my experience, very positive, very exciting, and we are loving it, and I've enrolled for 6 more months. Thank you so much.